Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make carrot juice with milk. The ingredients that I'll be using are carrots, a glass of milk, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, and some ice cubes. Before we start this process, I want to share with you one of the major benefits of carrots in our bodies. Carrots helps our eyes to stay healthy and also protect our eyes from sun and prevents eye problem. Yes, that's the major benefit. The other benefit that I would like to share with you as a bonus, it also improves our skin appearance. Okay, I'll share with you 2 benefits for milk in our bodies too. Okay, milk contains calcium, potassium, vitamin A and B12. It has also magnesium and zinc. Benefits of milk is that milk is a source of protein, which is good for growth and for our immune system. Milk also helps in making our bones strong. It prevents weight gain, and it can be added on various dishes that we make in the house, and also we can always include milk in our diet. So guys, let's start with the blending of the juice. On this blender jug, I will add my carrots, which are cut into small pieces. I will add my milk. I will take 4 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar. Then I will add my ice cubes. So let's blend this juice. Now I will serve my juice. This is how it looks. Let me taste and see how it tastes. Wow. It's delicious, guys. It's delicious. Wow. This is so sweet. So guys, thank you so much for joining in this video up to this moment. I want to thank all my returning subscribers. I want to thank all my WhatsApp group friends. I want to thank all my family and friends. I want also to thank all that watch me and they have not subscribed. Please, if you have not subscribed, please hit the red button, and next to the red button there is a notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye.